students, this is Madhavrao, chemistry lecturer. I am going to start new topics in chemistry regarding of 11th and 12th standard. Please watch my videos and give your feedback. Thank you. Today I am going to start important basic of chemistry Moyle's diagram. You see students, this is Moyle's diagram. Moyle's diagram we written like 1s n1 is equal to 1. n1 is equal to 2, we write like 2s and 2p. If n1 is equal to 3, 3s, 3p, 3d. Like next n1 is equal to 4, like 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. n1 is equal to 5, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. And n1 is equal to 6, 6s, 6p, 6d. Here like n1 is equal to 7, 7s, 7b. Finally n1 is equal to 8, we written like 8s. This is the Moyle's diagram. See here, this arrow mark indicates the electrons are entering into the 1s orbital. Means regarding of above rule, the electrons are entering into lower energy of orbital first and higher energy of orbital next. You see, the electrons are entering into 1s orbital first, later higher energy of orbital is 2s. Means the electrons are entering into 1s orbital. After completion of the electrons in 1s, the electrons are entering into 2s. Next the electrons are entering into 2p. Next the electrons are entering into 3s. After completion of the electrons in 3s, next enter into 3p. Next 4s. Next 3d, 4p, 5s. Next 4d, 5p, 6s. Next the electrons are entering into 4f. Next 5d, 6p, 7s. Finally the electrons are entering into 5f. Later 6d. Next 7p. Finally 8s. Here lower energy of orbital is 1s. Higher energy of orbital is 8s. You see now, based on this Moyle's diagram, we are going to write the electronic configuration of any element without by heading. See students, first suppose if we take hydrogen, hydrogen atomic number is 1. This 1 indicates the number of protons. This is the neutral atom. Every neutral atom having equal number of protons and electrons. This 1 indicates number of protons, means this hydrogen having only 1 electron. That 1 electron is entered into which orbital, students? 1s orbital. You see now, 1s orbital, only 1 electron. Like that you may take the helium. Helium atomic number is 2. Electronic configuration of helium is 1s2. Next the electrons. Next you may take lithium. Lithium atomic number is 3. First electrons are entering into which orbital? 1s orbital, so I written 1s2. Next the electrons are entering to 2s orbital, so I written 2s. Here proton number is 3, so it should have only 3 electrons. Among the 3 electrons, 2 electrons are entering to 1s. Later one more electron only there, that electron entering to 2s. Like we take beryllium. Beryllium atomic number is 4. So we write the electronic configuration as 1s2. After completion of electrons in 1s, the electrons are entering to 2s. So I written 2s 2. Maximum number of electrons are accommodated in s orbital is 2. Like that you may take calcium. See students, atomic number of calcium is 20. The number of electrons in calcium is also 20. Now the electrons are entering to which orbital first students? 1s orbital. Later the electrons are entering to 2s. So I written 2s2. Later the electrons are entering to 2p. I written 2p. Maximum number of electrons are accommodating p orbital is 6. So I written 2p6. Next the electrons are entering to 3s orbital. So I written 3s2. After 3s the electrons are entering to 3p. See, maximum number of electrons in 3p is 6. Later the electrons are entering to 4s orbital. You see 4s 2. You may count the number of electrons. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 2 20. Like you may take the chromium. Chromium atomic number is 24. The first electrons are entering to which orbital students? 1s orbital. So I written 1s2. Next the electrons are entering to 2s. So I written 2s2. Next 2p. Maximum number of electrons in p 6. Next 3s orbital. So 3s2. Next 3p. So I written 3p6. Next the electrons are entering to 4s2. Next the electrons are entering to 3d. I written 3d4. This is the electronic configuration of chromium. You see here 3d4 is there. Maximum number of electrons are accommodating d orbital is 10. 10 electrons are there, that is fulfilled electronic configuration. If d orbital having 5 electrons, that is half-filled electronic configuration. Half-filled or fulfilled electronic configuration of elements are more stable. See here 3d4 means only one electron is the shortest to half-filled. So here one electron is transferred from 4s orbital to 3d orbital, then 3d4 becomes 3d5, means it becomes half-filled, means it gets stable. You see now stable electronic configuration of chromium. Tell me students, 1s2, next 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now one electron is transferred from 4s to 3d, means I written 4s1. Now this 3d4 becomes 3d5. 3d5 means half-filled electronic configuration. This half-filled electronic configuration of chromium is more stable. If they are asking the electronic configuration of chromium, you don't write the electronic configuration, unstable electronic configuration of chromium. You have to write the stable electronic configuration of chromium like this. Thank you. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share my video and subscribe my channel and give your feedback. Thank you.